Okay, this is how you bypass your start on here. If there's ever mess up on your four-wheeler and this kill switch is all connected to it, going down through here, you come back around to your starter, all that stuff right there. You can find, here's a way right here, you can go ahead and hook it up with a toggle switch and you're good to go. First you want to get a toggle switch, which is what you see right here, illuminated light, a 3-prong. You can't see it underneath here because I already hooked it up, but you run one wire to the battery. As you see, that battery wire is white. I got it going all the way up to the toggle switch. Same thing we did for the ground wire and then the starter wire. That's the starter wire right there. That's the ground wire. And I ran it all the way up to this switch. Now let me get my keys. Good thing about this is nobody just can't come up and start your four-wheeler. They're gonna need the key. So you turn the key on, as you see, turn it off, neutral light off, turn on, neutral light on. Hold on, let me make sure I got enough gas in here. Oh yeah, I'm good. All right, let's go ahead and see if this is gonna work. Okay, depress your brake. I got the button right there that depressed it. Cause you know these ATVs, they ain't gonna start without it. Okay, let me try this one. Nothing. Every time I try, that's to make sure the kill switch ain't on. That's the factory starter. That's the factory wire right there. Most of these ATVs, they don't need all them wires, but a lot of them go for the brake and stuff like that. So that's why I'm doing it this way. All right, got the key in. Let's see if mine's a go. Started right up. Runs great. Turns right off. So anytime, now the good thing about it, you see the key is off, right? You see that light ain't on. Light on, light off. Okay. Let's say I want to go ahead and I don't have that key in there. Took it out. It won't do nothing. That's all it's gonna keep on doing. It ain't gonna do nothing. But you put the key in, come back over here in my little Batman hide and switch. Like I got a racing four-wheeler. As soon as you turn it on, turn it right back off. And you good to go. Turn it off. Anytime, now I can put my seatbelt back on. That's how you do your own wiring for these Chinese ATVs. I like them because they fairly cheap, but as long as you got everything tightened up on it, oh, they'll run all day. Keep the oil change. Let me show you my LEDs. Bottom suspension. So that's how you wire a start button to your Chinese ATV.